Alright, you guys. I do things a little different today. I'm in a canal very close to my house where I've caught plenty of tarpon, I've caught snook, plenty of peacock bass. So I'm gonna throw primarily 3 different lures today. Try to be very quiet. And it's hard because I have treble hooks catching everything here. Jeez, dude, get off. So I'm gonna do a little hair jig. Gonna do a very small twitch bait, and while it's very light out, or not light out, while it's still really calm, of course I can't help it, I gotta throw that big doggy top. So we're gonna get to it and see how it goes. Yee! Man, I lost my sunglasses, dude, just now. But I've definitely missed out on the tarpon bite. Playing around with that hair jig. 1/8 ounce wasn't casting real well on that rod, but then again, I have my reels all mixed up, and I don't know, I'll figure that part out. Tarpon bite's pretty much dead. Doesn't mean I can't catch one, it just means that that morning bite when the water's calm and you see them rolling everywhere is gone. So I'm gonna switch into peacock mode. Moving baits really fast. I'm gonna try that hair jig, the twitch bait. I have some very tiny little swim baits that I'm gonna try as well, and see if we can't catch a few peas. All right. Got him. Nice pea. I love this little rod, guys. Let me tell you, it makes him dog you. Dogging me. I should give it a little TV drag, huh? A little TV drag? Oh yeah, baby. All right, come on, everybody. Nice little pea, dude. Heck yeah. Aren't they just the prettiest little things on planet Earth? I love them. Let me tell you a little story here. I moved to where I live now about 4 or 5 years ago, and I spent about a year or 2 fishing for these things right here because they're exotic, they're pretty, they fight, they're just fun, you know. And if you guys didn't know, I do little land-based charters for these guys where I just take people from out of town around and help them catch them. But what a pretty fish. Let's keep going. Yee! Bye, buddy. And she gone. Howdy, y'all. Brad and I are out here in the glades. Not much else happened yesterday. There was a lot of barriers, so I was kind of restricted to like one area. I mean, at least I caught a fish. So, gotta keep it moving. That's how she goes sometimes. We're about to run these little areas, try to get some snook, tarpon, whatever. Then I might have a little clever idea. We'll see how the day goes. Anyways, we'll see.
I knew I should have bought like 12 packs.
2, 3 of them.
Oh,
Let it sit for a second. Go, go. They're right near it. Oh, 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 boy.
You wait for him.
There we go. There we go. on the little rod, bro. I'm gonna need some real deal help here. I don't know what it is. It's just f***ing big, I know that. It's a grouper! What? That is sick! Oh, thank God my camera's on. Click that camera on the bottom. Yes. That's awesome, dude. Heck yeah.
You got him?
Yeah. Check this out, dude. Look at that pretty little sucker right there. We were literally just watching a video with like Justin Menendez and Fishaholic where they're out in 10,000 Islands catching these little studs. How sick. On the lightest rod I have too. Beautiful little Goliath. Heck yeah, dude. On the little Terrorize. Shoot. Calm down, buddy. Dang. Got him hooked really good.
Really dark out here.
One more look at my buddy. Send him on his way. Bye, son. Nice. All right, we're doing something very experimental here. We're about to dead bait for a little bit for really, I guess, anything interesting, whatever happens to happen. So I got on here a little ladyfish head, and I'm gonna drift it, not really drift it, but no weight. Just gonna cast it. We're gonna kind of drift across this flat, or not flat, but this open area back here. See if we can't catch a big tarpon, a juvenile bull shark, really whatever. So we will find out. Yeah. Get it, you little turd. He's about to grab it for sure. He's right in that zone. He's gonna find it. It's just a matter of time. Oh. I got a set soon, dude. Oh, you dropped it. Oh. Here comes another one. Dude, we gotta try. Another one on the mangroves. Yeah, he's right here. Little guy. Calmly put it right here.
Oh, there, you got it, you got it, you got it. Get ready, get ready, get ready.
Dude, it's a small bait. Oh my God. Yes. Why would you even think that wouldn't happen? That's what I want to know. Do you regret not putting wire on there now?
I couldn't get it to tie right.
Dude, I would have tied it. What are you going to do, just wire?
Yeah. That cable.
Oh, here he comes. Oh, no. He's right over hanging out in that little cut. All right, here he goes. Here he goes. Right to it. Take it. Take it, my boy. Oh, you got it. 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 Let him eat for a minute. He ain't gonna go in the mangroves. He ain't a snook. How long do you think I should wait?
Not long. I didn't wait long. Remember, he dropped one.
No, he didn't drop it. I pulled it out of his mouth.
Oh.
All right, I'm going for it. I didn't wait long enough. He swam at me too.
Bro, I didn't wait long at all.
Easy, be easy. I got you, all right? I got you, buddy. Oh, calm down.
He was big, dude. Oh, moly, that was big.
On the wire, huh? What do you want me to do? Nice, dude. You got him out. Oh, dogging. I'm pulling him out. What is it? Big fish.
Big zoo fish.
Really? Nice, dude. Yes. Yeah, buddy. You think that's what you had before?
I don't know.
Oh, dude. Let's go, Brad. My dog. Oh, shit. Let's go. Fish in the John boat. Fish in the John boat. Brother, that is awesome. Bro.
Alright, come on. I'm gonna assist.
Not a grouper wrangler.
I can get him with the canoe shell. Right there, just rip. It's gonna hurt.
Don't make fun of me, guys. I'm just gonna kill this. Oh, there we go. Dude, that's legit. That's legit, my boy. I bet that's what you hooked the first time. Heck yeah, dude.
You get a pic for it?
Show me that thing, bro. Look at that fish in the John boat, baby. Let's go, Brad. How you feel about that?
I'm happy.
That first one got you though, huh? Heck yeah, dude. Let me get Brad a little picture here. Get rid of that thing.
You got it there.
Hell yeah, Brad.
Ah.
Woo!
Heck yeah.
Oh, there you go. I'm gonna. Like, you're about to see so many fish, dude, but cast one bait, you're spooking. Oh my god, look at all the snook. Look at all the snook. Yeah. I'm getting a little frazzled. No way. Oh my god, dude! Brad! What are you trying to do here? You got him, bro. Just be easy. That was freaking... Oh my god. You better calm down, buddy.
I didn't want him to get off.
I see that. You were wrestling him. You gonna show off that fish or what, bro?
I'm getting a net, dude.
No, nets are for losers. Nice, dude. Brad with a nice snook on that cut bait, boy. Heck yeah, dude.
Buddy.
That's what I'm talking about. Hold on. You want an actual picture?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can.
28.
Hell yeah, 28. Get him going. I mean, not the smoothest, but it's effective. Alrighty.
Something's on it.
Get him, Brad. Get him, Brad. Probably a shark. It's the shark, isn't it? It's gotta be him, bro. It's gotta be him. No, I can't tell, dude. It's a Heck yeah, dude. Bro, listen to me, dude. I gotta cast in there. You can't.
know. I told you we could both do it. You need to put a mullet on there.
Bro.
Every fish I've caught has on a mullet.
That is legit. Heck yeah, dude. Nice, bro. Let me see that thing. The old riggedy John boat. On that cut bait, baby.
Let me make sure the thing's even on.
Yeah, it's on. Nice, dude. Heck yeah. Now it's Daddy's turn to fish in there. There. Oh.
So I just wanted to tell you something. You know, most of the time the dads are the ones who catch more fish. So now it's time
No,
for
Daddy puts children on fish. Oh, I'm getting hit. I'm getting 8. Got it. Got it. Yeah. Oh my God.
Nice, dude.
Oh. It's another.
Yeah,
Hit that camera.
the camera? Oh, we came untied. Crap.
It's alright. Nice. Look at him just rolling. Our stick failed us, dude.
Oh, it came. The snook came off, or the rope?
The stick rolled. Do me a favor, take this rod for a second.
Alright.
I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Nah, screw it. Come here, brother.
What I meant to show you earlier is outside of the gate. And you're good every time.
Well, I just
Right
watched.
there, like a handle.
Right here? No.
Like right there, where you have your hand inside.
Oh, jeez.
You see how
Just chill. Let me handle my fish.
just trying to help.
I know.
I pulled a lot of it.
Alrighty. Let's not do that. Buddy. Buddy, old pal. I'm gonna let you go, brother. Alright. Goliath grouper number 2, 3, 4? 4, 3. Who knows? Alright. Let him go.
No, wait. That is 4, because you caught one.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Nice. This is hard. It's really hard. Alright, ladies, gents, mainly them ladies. Nah, I'm just playing. That's it, dude. You know, I get out, we get out, we come out on the weekends as much as we can. Sometimes you catch stuff, sometimes you don't. You know, like yesterday, I said I'm gonna go out, look for these little tarpon I've caught before, maybe some peas. I caught 1 peacock. That's crazy. I take people peacock fishing. I should have caught like 8, right? I didn't, but you know what? We came out here today, found some snook, goliaths, played around with some bull sharks. You know, it's good times. But I'll be honest, it is hot. You're looking at a camera, probably, you know, sitting in bed with your air conditioning. It's hot, 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 hot out here, you know. But we still got to push pull back for like a little bit. So we're done. We're heading in. I really hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next week, maybe next time. I'll see you sometime. Yeet. Goodbye. Right here.